In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize Microsoft Copilot to enhance your productivity and creativity. This is a fantastic tool that leverages AI to assist with generating fresh content, ideas, outlines, and more, making it an essential companion for your everyday tasks. Let's get started right away by opening your web browser and visiting https://copilot.microsoft.com. You'll want to ensure that you're connected to the internet and using a browser that you are comfortable navigating. Once the web page has loaded, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. This step is crucial, as it allows you access to all the features available through your subscription. If you don't already have an account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. After you're successfully signed in, direct your attention to the center of the page, where you'll find the Message Copilot box. This is the main interface where you'll be interacting with the AI. It's designed to be user-friendly, guiding you smoothly through the process. Now, let's demonstrate what this tool can do. In the Message Copilot box, you'll want to type in a prompt. Here are a couple of examples. For instance, if you're looking for new blog ideas, you might type, "Give me 5 fresh ideas for blog posts about remote teamwork." Make each idea short, catchy, and include one suggested title. Alternatively, if you're preparing a presentation, you can prompt Copilot with, "Create a 4-slide presentation outline about overcoming creative block." Each slide should have a title, 3 bullet points, and 1 suggestion for a visual. Once your prompt is ready, go ahead and press Enter. The AI will immediately start working its magic to provide you with thoughtful and innovative suggestions. After Copilot has processed your prompt, you'll receive an output that you can review. This is your chance to refine the response to better fit your needs. You can give it further instructions to adjust the tone or style. For example, if you want a more humorous approach, simply type, "Make it funnier," to see how the AI modifies the content. Once you are satisfied with the results, the final step is to integrate these valuable insights into your work. You can easily copy the content directly from the Copilot interface and paste it into Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or any planning tool you use to organize your ideas and presentations. This seamless transition from generation to execution makes Microsoft Copilot an invaluable resource, saving you time and boosting your efficiency. And that is how you can make the most out of Microsoft Copilot to accomplish your creative and professional goals effortlessly. With a tool as robust as this, the possibilities are nearly endless. Happy creating, and see you next time.